Today is October 31st, 2014. Got another pre-market watch list. Not a whole lot great this morning. Market is major gap up, something to do with some Japanese, like it might be like Godzilla. I don't know. Market's up huge. So I will, on days like this, a lot of days like this, whether or not it's up big or not, I mean, I'm in real wait and see mode. I don't see anything that great on watch other than CDTI, which it's kind of, it's tough to play. It's choppy. It's all over the place. I mean, huge move yesterday. If you were smart, probably would have played it long. Had several good opportunities and into the close. It kind of ran after hours. Now it's settling back. My hope would be I'd like to see some huge move to short into. Again, with all the exuberance around the market gap up, I mean, I'm not going to look to short this look to short anything unless I can get a good entry. I mean, if I can get some kind of entry at like 450 or something, then I'll look to short it. Otherwise, I'll let it play out and possibly, I mean, this would probably, if it hangs around, would be a prime watch for next week. Currently, I'm short UNIS, which is super lame, very annoying. I will be out today no matter what. I just shorted the other day, I mean, early this week, and have been holding it. Just hoping for some sort of, I think they've got a shelf registered. I was hoping for an offering, but it's 2-3 days. I'm tired of watching it. And I mean, it's just kind of forming a base here at 380s, 390s. And, there's support back here. So, I'm done with it. No thanks. RDCM, real low float. So this is going to be something to be careful with, but got this on my fader scan. It popped big the other day on good earnings. Let me update this. So huge move, and then yesterday kind of ran and then settled back. I'd like to short it, but it is good earnings. Market's up big. It is low float. It is Friday. I don't know. So ONCY, this would be a good one. I would love to see run, maybe get up to like $1, 90 cents. It's kind of where it gapped down here the other day. You'll notice a recurring theme today. I mean, I'm really going to make a point to focus on my entries. I've got no desire to chase on a day like today. If things come to me, if CDTI goes nuts, ONCY goes to $1, then I'll look to enter. Otherwise, I'll miss them, I guess. But I'm willing to do that. VPCO, I shorted this the other day and did all right on it into this. I think I got it the second day when it kind of was coming back. Would have been a good long-term hold. Spiked back up. It looked like, I haven't done all the screens. I mean, it kind of looked like some of this vaping stuff and some of this weed stuff was going to be hot again. But from what I can tell, it kind of fizzled out. I mean, I don't screen for 10-cent stocks, which a lot of the weed stocks were that. But this is one that seemed like it was going to go the other day, and now it's just fading back. So this would be, the volume's really fading. Again, I think the hype is fading from the vaping and weed. I may look to short this today. That's maybe the top pick. Going back through the last few days, this is something I do is, I keep watch lists and kind of, I don't go back much more than like 3 to 5 days, but I always like to kind of go back 5 days. Lake, APT, a lot of these Ebola plays, maybe. I mean, Lake popped yesterday, really came back hard. I made decent money on that. They're, unless they pop again, they're probably done for now. Kara was a good short, but it's down big now. SOPW was a good short. But it kind of came back. That's it cracked hard and came back. So I don't really like them when they come back. I mean, it maybe it holds its price. Digley, what did Digley end up doing? I don't remember. Well, Digley's kind of holding. NQ, I royally botched NQ the other day. Ugh. I may watch NQ today. I mean, you can tell. I mean, it's really coming back, and just best thing with NQ is just look for pops to short into. I mean, every time this thing pops, it's a short. It's even really fading off. I may actually add that to today's list just because I'm fishing. But so nothing great today, but could be interesting. I mean, again, a lot of these shit stocks don't trade pre-market, so a lot of them haven't reacted to the market gap up. So we'll see what happened. While the pre-market may not be great, could be. I'm excited for the day. It could be a good trading day.